Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2015 Sonic LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: advanced safety package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, premium 6-speaker audio system feature, radio data system, radio, Chevrolet MyLink AM/FM stereo and Sirius XM satellite radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.